I'm Dr. Joe Neely, and I practice with the Barton Oaks Dental Group. I'm going to discuss dental procedures, which is a very broad category. A dental procedure can be anything as simple as a cleaning, which is removing the hard deposits that you can't get off yourself off your teeth, or removing soft deposits that are in areas that are so far up under the gum you physically can't get to them. To scaling root planing, which is somewhat similar in nature to cleaning, except it requires anesthesia because you have to go through the attachment of the gum to the tooth in order to get below the level of the hard tartar to remove it. You have a dental procedure of sealant, which is simply cleaning out the grooves of the tooth, the undecayed grooves of the tooth, assuring yourself that there is no decay, and then etching the tooth, creating some kind of acid etch to the tooth, and applying a plastic coating that fits into the grooves of the teeth to protect it against decay. You have a filling, which is simply going in and physically removing any infected part of the tooth enamel. The bacteria live off of plaque, which is a combination of bacteria and food source, and the gelatinous mass that sticks to the tooth. Once the byproduct is acid, once the acid eats through the hard outer shell of the tooth, the bacteria can now live off of the internal portion of the tooth. And in order to keep it from destroying the tooth, you have to go in and physically cut that part out. And then that part of the tooth that's been removed is restored with a filling. There are numerous types of filling materials. When the defect becomes large enough that structurally the tooth can't support a filling any longer, then the opposite is done. More of the perimeter of the tooth is removed, and then a crown is done over the tooth. A crown brings structural support from the outside to the tooth, whereas a filling requires a tooth to provide the structural support for the filling. Crowns can be a combination of metal and porcelain to gain the combination of strength from the metal and the aesthetics of porcelain. It can be all porcelain for greater aesthetics, or it can be all metal in areas where nothing else is seen. You also have the ability, procedure would be a veneer, which is nothing more than just a thin part of a crown. It's exactly like a porcelain crown. In fact, in today's world, where a veneer stops and a crown starts is a very, very gray area because it's all a matter of percentages. Other procedures would be root canals, which are the removal of the contents of a tooth, extraction, which would be the removal of a tooth, biopsy, which would be the removal of tissue to be studied under a microscope, and the list goes on and on.